Hi, this is Tony Self. Another video on how I do things. I'm actually creating a Skool community to promote and have a place in addition to the YouTube videos of the videos that I'm making. So I'm going to show you here. I went and created that's free. I'm actually paying for it, but you can see here, this is my Skool community. I have my icon I created from AI. And I need to create a cover image, which is 1084 by 576, my group name, then group description. Obviously, I'm going to use AI. So I went ahead and I went to Google Gemini. Starting to use this more and more, by the way, which is weird, but it's good. It's all good. So Google Gemini went ahead and said, I had it analyze my site. So I have techtony.co, that's here. I've been using this for my speaking and other items. It's a WordPress site that it's good, and I'm gonna have a link to the Skool community from here. And I have my WordPress. I have blog posts automatically posted on there. This is the Russ Tops Country charts. It wasn't the actual big country chart, but whatever. I digress. So techtony.co. I asked Gemini, go ahead and take a look at my site techtony.co. I'm creating a Skool community and want to use the look and feel from techtony.co to the new Skool community. I need to cover that size by 1084 by 576. And also group description up to 150 characters. So I just said, give that to me. And Gemini went through the site, looked on it based on the analysis. It gave me some ideas here. Option 1, 2, I went with 3 for the description. The official hub for AI and business mastery, connect to Tony Self and peers to turn today's tech tools into tomorrow's profits. I like that. So I went with that. And that's what's kind of cool about these tools. I would have obsessed about this for a while, and I just go ahead and use them, which is great. So now I got to get the cover image. So the Skool cover image, design brief, 1084 by 576 pixels. It gave me what I need to drop into Google, match OnePress Modern Tech, the background image, does all the little prompting. And if I wanted to, for designer Canva, create a modern tech theme, social media cover, 1084 by 576 using a dark navy background. I just went ahead and copied the whole thing. It came back with this. I have no idea who this guy is. Good looking guy. I like this. So I said, okay, gave it this is actually me, replace man with this man from the image. And it came back with this. It's not sized correctly. So I said, dimensions 1084 by 576. And there you go. I now have my cover. But you'll notice that when Google Gemini, and it's great too, when it creates these images, it has its logo in the corner, the Gemini stamp. I'll show you how I remove it, but I was wondering if I could just have it by default removed. So I asked, how do you remove Google Gemini stamp from the images? And Gemini replied back, it cannot assist removing the watermark or stamp. It's intentionally placed to ensure transparency and help identify contents being AI generated. If the watermark interferes with composition, you might be able to use standard image editing software to crop the image, provided the parts of the picture aren't lost. However, I cannot provide techniques. So you got to take this out. All right, there it is. You open it up and you see there's that image. I don't want that. So I'm using a software. I'm on a MacBook. And this software, I believe it's also on Windows as well. It's called PhotoScape X. Great software. Very simple to use. So I'm going to open up that particular image on my desktop here. So I'm going to go to the desktop and I'm going to go, okay, right click, and let's go ahead and open with that PhotoScape X. And it will open up to PhotoScape X. And then the way I take this out is I click on Editor, then I find the image again, and you'll see here, I'll bring it up. And there it is. And then you just click on Tools and you'll see Spot Healing Brush, and you can adjust the size of it. And I just click on that little right there and it's good enough. If you want to spot a little more, there we go. And it cleared it out. So now the image is all ready to go. So now I got the image with it removed using PhotoScape X. Use it all the time. I'll go ahead and click Save As, and we'll save this to the downloads. We'll call this one Skool Cover. Click Save, and I'll go back to my Skool community, click Upload, go to Downloads. It's on there, right? You know what? Whenever I do this to see the images, it does that there. So we'll go here. There it is. And I now have my new Skool cover. And we're going to make this, I'm not sure if I should keep that or not. But there we go. It's all ready to go. And I now have my image. And that's, just want to show you that. And one other thing too, I it's very important when you get these AI images to make sure you have a commercial license to utilize them. I'm going to use it for selling education in this case. So I went ahead and asked ChatGPT, Gemini, what is a commercial license? And a lot of times you got to look for the terms and conditions. But here I went to, is the images created in Gemini can be used commercial? Can I sell it? This is one of the most complex and rapidly evolving areas of digital laws. The short answer is generally yes. You can use images generated by Gemini for commercial purposes, including selling them. However, there are massive critical buts to that. So you can use it. You just got to make sure that, the selling non-copyright, it's not copyrightable because it's created by AI. Give a nice little summary. Can I legally sell the image? Yes. Google's terms allow it. Do I own the copyright? Probably not. Although I do own my face. Can others steal the images and sell it too? Yes. Am I safe from lawsuits? No. And again, this is not legal advice. Not yet. So that's Google's response to, can you use it? Which you can. And again, this is just for a website for that, it's, but if you were going to sell something or have something commercially produced, a lot of money, you definitely want to get a copyright or a trademark of it. But this is how I did that. And another quick video on how-tos. I do a lot of how-tos, which I'm starting to add to the channel. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's Tony Self. If you have any questions or comments, bring them down in the comments down below. And I appreciate if you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be on to the next video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.